In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your homepage in Mozilla Firefox. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, open Firefox and go to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines, or also known as the menu button. And then go to the settings, and then I want you to click the home. Now, here, this is the page that opens every time you launch Firefox or click the home button. Right now, it's set as the Firefox home default, but if you want to change it, you can do so. You have three options here. You can use a custom URLs. For example, if you have a specific website that you wanted to open during the homepage of your Firefox, okay, so paste the URL. So in my case, I'm going to be choosing this specific URL, and I am going to click on it. You can also use a bookmark if you want, and then that's that. But if you want to have a blank page, you can also opt to do that as well for new tabs. Okay, so every time you open a new tab, what will happen is you will be forwarded with a blank page. But if you go right back on the home page right here, what will happen is you will be forwarded to the specific URL that you have pasted on that settings. All right, and basically that's how you change homepage in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.